ka Lynti rel Bairabi sya sairang kabala ups lembha kabala muddur ningkong house nam khat khandai spa khandai po khandai menta kala long ka jingshisha da ka jingpentri kam yaka hau banai jilliu araja arpusan do commissioner ka railway safety ka ni ka Lynti ka bajrong sanpuway point laipra kilometer kala bu banwanra ya ka nongba jong ka Mizoram ka Aizol ha ka map Lynti rel jong kari India ha ka sien ka baningkong Lakmi Lynti bau menteri rang badu kari India Narendra Modi un suppletion ya ketika lan. Naka Kyrwoh kabla pha da ka Ministry of Railways la yathu bana ka jingpho snew sha ka jingshisha ya ka project Lynti rel la thmu ningkong hau banai nailur jo Snem khat khandai spa khandai pu khandai Henry ki jing ki baningkong kenthop ya ki khlaw ki barban ka jingbom la ban yo I bha bat ki jaka ki ba
The railway connectivity project, the Bhairabi Sairang project, it's a very important project for not only Northeast India but for entire India because it will establish the railway connectivity to Aizol, the capital of Mizoram. And already the entire work has been completed and the statutory inspection which is carried out by the Commissioner of Railway Safety, that has also successfully been completed.
Dakaba itu ya ka jingdon kam bakong san jongka hagaban penyaso ya ka Mizoram bat ka ri barokaway ka sarkar India berim ka sarkar UPA kala penbana ya ka Bairabi sa sairang kum ka project ri house nam arajar pra arajar khandai Henry de menteri rang badu kari India Narendra Modi ulabu yo mau nong rem haka arpho khandai tre unai wing arajar khat saw ya ka jingshim jaka la Pyndep house nam arajar khat saw bat arajar khat san baga jingtei kelas dang da ka bapura house nam arajar khat san arajar khat riu kat kum ka jingong jong uhe engineer jong ka project Vinod Kumar ka jingtei kala sha khanglat namar ka ayom trei ka balingkot ka balabu pot tang saw hapo san banai hakasis nam nadu banai nai wing hadu banai leber namar uslap bajur bha nadu banai yayong hadu banai risau ka jingpen bai Lynti ka yat lingba kilom ki bajrong ki riat bat ki them ka bapendon kam ya ka jing trei thliu bat ka jing king ka bahe ki jing tei ki bahe bat ki jing job jong ka jing start ka Lynti rel ka kanthop ya ki saupu pratli ki tunnel ki bahe khat ar point prasan lai kilometer san pusan tli ki jing king ki bahe bat prapo nyotli ki jing king ki baren santli ki overbridge bat khandai tli ki underbridge ka jingking ka bajrong bha ka badon un number shispa khandai phone rio ka bakiu shispa 100 meter ka jingjrong ka bakham jrong 100 meter ban ya ka kutub minar la ong ru ba ka jingket ya ki tiar sna yeng ki bahe kum ki green kala long ka jing ka bakraw ka baladon kam ban pen pra bat penyaso biang ha ka jaka ka jingket ya ki tiar ru kala long ka ba namar ki surok ki la ban sha tua bat ki long ki basniu ha ka por slap ki engineer ki le thu baka don ka jingduna jong ki nong trei trairi haka babon na ki nong trei la wanra na ki weipat ki jella ka jingbam don ka jingpenya so mobile haki jaka luom kala pendo mensim shu ya ki nong trei bansa ki tiar ki bakongsan kum usyam ka dobilat bat ki Maurya la yo na ki jella kum ka Assam West Bengal bat Meghalaya namar ba ka Mizoram ka duna ya ki marpo khndo ki badon kam Wat hapadang ki jingpho sneo Samrkhie haka liang ke jingpen poi marbam bat ki jaka Samrkhie kalan Bairabi sairang menta kalalong kabala penkre kabapen ya ka dak jong ka history na ka benta ka than chatai lammi ngi lakmi Lynti bakan penbha su ya ka jingya dei kan kentiu ya ka khayi pateng haka than bat kan wanra ya ki lat kamai saka jella Mizoram kabapen long ya ka kum ka sin jam ka baningkong haka bapen ya so ya ka than bat kari India borok away.
We all know that other states have me also I used to stay in other states also. It's very easy and comfortable and cheap also. For us also there will be very opportunity will be there.
This railway, if it can function well, I think it will benefit in many ways, like economically and also in regards of our price range as well. Like I think it will work smoothly, and I think we'll be able to get all of our requirement, especially the supplies that we need every day.
Goods from the last big city from Aizol itself is Guwahati. It takes 2 to 3 days for anything to reach here. So anything emergency also, medicine, food, anything, essential supplies also, even oil and all that, it takes 3 to 4 days to reach here. So with this railway, we hope that this will be, the time will be much less.
habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bate yekamet namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi, the office, Johor Commissionariat of Food Safety, Shillong, Meghalaya.